I thank God for successful vacation of the judges, and I throw a salute to Baba God wey take bring them back safe. And I pray as they start the new legal year, may Baba God continue to deal with them as always. Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu talked this one when he joined body with Edo State Judiciary for the church service to mark the new calendar year. The church service shele for St. Joseph Catholic Church for Benin City. Oga Shaibu come talk say Naija get the best judges and Naija get judiciary system wey dey work, and say wetin dem expect from the judiciary na to keep the name wey dem know dem for, and say for our court, common man dey get justice.
Judges and for bringing them back safely in good health. This year will not be any exceptional. What we'll be expecting from them is to just keep that name that they are known with. Common man will get justice. Our courts are courts that you can hear from the homely as they start a new year. More cases that will give justice to our people will be carried out.
Una go remember say some time ago, Edo State Chief Judge Justice Daniel Kungbawa released the Edo State Judiciary Calendar for the year 2023-2024. Other ogbonge people wey tanda for the church service na Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly Blessing Agbebako, wife of the Deputy Governor Mariam Shaibu, among others. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojeisole, TMC TV News.